Hello strangers on the internet, and welcome to this brand new channel dedicated to the craft of pipe making. My name is Bill. In this video, this first video right here, what I want to do is show you how I carve a pipe. Just get the shape of the wood. But this is not one of those professional how-to videos. I am not a professional. This is, for me, still technically a hobby, but it's one I take very seriously. There's a lot of great content out there already from professional pipe makers. I have watched many of those videos, but alas, I do not have some of the more critical elements of their how-to videos, things like a lathe or a bandsaw. What I do have are a few hand tools and a will to make it work. I'm going to show you how I carve a pipe with my limited tool set. In a subsequent video, I'll be sandblasting on it. I actually do have a really nice sandblasting setup. There's more on that in the next video. I'm gonna be starting from this pre-drilled pipe kit courtesy of Vermont Freehand, an excellent website. So make sure you like, subscribe, click that notifications, little bell icon, stuff of that sort. I don't want to talk a lot. I'm just gonna get into it. And what I wish I had, but I don't have, are a lathe, a bandsaw, a drill press, a big burly Dremel-style rotary tool, and a shop vac for my garage, which means I have to work mostly outside. What I do have are a miniature table saw, which is not ideal for shaping small pieces of wood, but the advantage here is it also has this wheel on the side with sandpaper, so I can at least smooth out some corners. Weirdly enough, I do have a helmet magnifier, which I haven't seen anyone on YouTube recommend, but I can't recommend this thing strongly enough. It's an absolute game changer. Some sunscreen, because I live in Southern California and it's very sunny. Everybody's free to wear sunscreen. A bucket hat that I got at a tourist trap in Mexico. A circle stencil, an L-shaped ruler for straight lines and corners, a pencil, a couple of hand saws, which offer more control but are definitely slower going and aren't super great for fine details, work gloves for safety. I can't tell you how much it freaks me out to see folks using incredibly sharp power tools without gloves on, some files and rasps, both flat and round. You'll see me rely on these a lot. A tiny little Warrior brand rotary tool. It's sort of like a mini Dremel. It's very weak and very small, but the advantage here is it was also very cheap. A pen-style engraver, sandpaper of varying grits, and a cup of coffee. It's very important to stay hydrated. So using the table saw is very high risk and very medium reward, but it did get my pipe, as it is so far, into, somewhat of a more pipe shape, and I'm fine with that. We'll move on. Another nice thing that I get out of this is I've got these extra little blocks, and I'm going to be experimenting with these on blasting and colors. So once again, follow this channel, subscribe, hit the notification button, all that good stuff. Alright, so mid-project update. My cheap little warrior tool finally died, so I had to replace it. And I figured at this point, in for a penny, in for a pound. So I finally got myself a big boy rotary tool. Well, there you go. This pipe is carved up. It is not perfect, but it is ready for the next phase, which will be sandblasting. And then after that, coloring and finishing. So those are gonna be the next two videos. So again, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. This pipe, it's still got nicks and scratches and dings, but the sandblasting is going to wash all that away. So it's not a big concern. It's not perfect, but it's about as symmetrical as I could get it with my limited set of tools. And I think that is it for this video, so tune in for the next one.